The 2020 Forte from Forbes Kia. Packed with incredible tech and designed to turn heads as easily as it turns corners, the 2020 KiaForte is here to revolutionize what a compact should be. Forte's 2-liter MPI engine delivers the exciting driving experience you've come to expect from the Forte. Pair that with our available intelligent variable transmission for a smooth, natural acceleration. The Forte will take you to amazing places. Standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will make sure you're always connected. Phone a friend, manage your map, or control your calendar, all with the power of your voice. Cut the cord and arrive fully charged with the available wireless phone charger. Don't miss Forte Fest, on now at Forbes Kia. Take advantage of 0% financing up to 84 months, plus no charge service until 2022. Only on remaining in stock, new 2020 model year Forte, and only at Forbes Kia in New Minas for a limited time. The 2020 Forte from Forbes Kia, ready for your family's next Annapolis Valley adventure.